Hello dear friends of high quality motorcycle accessories, here's again your Daniel from Hepco&Becker and welcome to a new how-to video. In this video I'm gonna mount with you, we both gonna attach this headlight grills on the Honda CRF 300 Rally. So stay tuned. So we at Hepco&Becker, we offer this headlight grills for different kinds of motorcycle, but mostly for adventure bikes like this CRF 300 Rally, made for having fun out of the road, out of it. So what do you need to save your headlights? For example, these LED headlights that are pretty expensive. You need a headlight grills that saves the headlight from stone chippings. And to attach them, Hepco&Becker delivers this article with the headlight itself, or the headlight grill itself, 3 screws in 3 different sizes, a big one, a bit smaller one, and the smallest one. 3 washers, small washers, 1 biggest washer, 1 aluminum distance, and a washer made of rubber. And you only need 2 tools, an Allen wrench size 5 and an Allen wrench size 3. That's it. And now let's go to work. So first of all, remove those 3 bolts. Those are the 3 points where we attach our headlight grills. So by using the Allen wrench, just dismount those 3 screws. Here is a little washer in between, don't lose it. We don't need the original screws for the attachment of our headlight grills, but it's always good to save the original screws. So, number 1, on this side number 2, and the other side number 3. So that's it, everything is prepared to mount our headlight grills. So first of all, take the headlight grill, take the longest screw, put on a small washer, and take the rubber washer. The rubber washer comes in between our headlight grills and the mask of the bike. Put in the screw, this one already in the position where it should go. So the rubber in between just prevents this plastic glass not to break while we're riding. Now take the Allen wrench size 3 and start putting it in. Not too hard, just to be flexible when it comes to the mounting points on the side. Then on the right hand side, so when you're riding on the right hand side, you take the smallest bolt, again the small washer that comes on it, and the bigger washer. This washer comes in between our headlight grill and the adapter for the turning signal lights. And again, take the Allen key size 3 and bolt it in, screw it in. So number 2, and for the last one, take the mid-size screw that we deliver, the small washer again, and now this aluminum distance in between our lamp mask, our headlight grill, and the light. So, and as you see, pretty easy, pretty quick, and you have a new suit-up, a suit-up bike for your off-road purposes, ready to get some stone chippings on it without damaging the headlights. So if you want to check out more information about this, or if you want to find out if it's available, this headlight grills also for your bike, then go on our website hepco-becker.de. And I wish you a safe and good ride. See you next time, your Daniel. Bye.
Can't stop this feeling inside me. I want to break off with you, but it doesn't